Hi, I'm Julie Blanner, the voice behind julieblanner.com, where I share easy ideas to celebrate everyday life, including recipes, entertaining, and home. Today, I'm sharing creative Christmas ideas with you. This goes down to recipes, homemade gift ideas, and of course, decor. I hope you love these ideas as much as my readers have through the years. Add a little creative holiday cheer to your home recipes and entertaining with these 40 festive and creative Christmas ideas. One of my favorite things to do is to take a cheese ball and make it in a fun and festive shape. This pesto cheese ball wreath is so delicious, always a crowd pleaser, and can be made in minutes. You'd never know just how simple it is because it's so adorable. And it bursts with flavor. Are you tired of trying to get a gingerbread house to stick together, or is that just me? This is a fun alternative, a sugar cookie candy house. Make a sugar cookie sheet cake and allow the kids to decorate that with all their favorite pretzel sticks and candies. The most popular recipe on my site right now are hot chocolate bombs. It's no wonder why. They're deceivingly easy to make, and they're so incredible. They make the creamiest cup of hot chocolate, and they make everyone smile as you watch them melt away and open up to expose all the delicious marshmallows inside. Another easy cheese ball recipe is this reindeer bacon cheddar cheese ball. It's another fun recipe that adults and kids alike will love. But if you're making something for the kids, but let's be honest, I can't resist it either. I have a funfetti dessert snowman cheese ball. It's actually much easier to make than you would imagine. I always get a lot of compliments with this cheese ball. No one ever guesses how simple it is to put together. Shortbread elf cookies are the perfect cookies to make your elf. They're a lot of fun in teeny tiny miniature form. If you loved baked Brie, you will absolutely love this easy appetizer. It's made in a wreath shape, garnished with rosemary and cranberries. And calling all peppermint lovers, this peppermint fruit dip is absolutely irresistible. It's made with my homemade whipped cream base, crushed peppermint, and it's so delicious. It's great for dipping things like pretzels in too. You'll never be disappointed to be asked to bring a salad again. This creative Christmas idea is sure to be a hit. Serve a Christmas wreath salad with homemade raspberry vinaigrette, little balls of goat cheese, dried cranberries, and nuts. It's absolutely darling, and it's oh so simple. One of my mom's favorite recipes was the Snowball Cocktail. Learn how to step it up a notch and make a crushed cookie rim for your cocktail glasses and perfectly toast a marshmallow for the top. It's creamy, dreamy, and easy to sip. Another great Christmas cocktail is a Merry Mint, made with peppermint schnapps. It is everything you love about white chocolate and mint in winter. You love everything peppermint, you'll also love this creamy peppermint ice cream. It's really dreamy with a little crunch. I've also made salted peppermint bark. It's great for gift giving if you're willing to share because it's so good, it's hard to part with. One of my favorite childhood recipes is Saltine Toffee. It's so incredibly easy to make and whip up, and you throw a few M&Ms on top and you can call it Christmas crack. It is delicious and you can't stop. If you have a snow day, you'll love making snow ice cream. Get my secrets to making it sweet and creamy. It's always such a treat. Calling all kids, Rudolph nose dough balls are always a favorite. Edible dough balls are covered in red chocolate for a nice little crunch and a beautiful Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer nose. Meringue cookies are absolutely gorgeous and they're so simple. They're made with egg whites and sugar, sugared cranberries, and a little bit of mint to garnish. One of our favorite creative Christmas ideas is an activity we do year after year, and that's making Salto ornaments. These Salto ornaments are so simple, and they're a great way to personalize your tree or Christmas gifts. You can also make colored Salto ornaments. Again, they're really simple and they're fun to decorate a kid's bedroom with. I enjoy giving homemade gifts during the holiday season. This sugar gift scrub is perfect for gifting others and gifting yourself. It's really beautiful to store in a pretty jar and tie with a ribbon and a homemade gift tag that I'll link to in the description below. Another easy creative Christmas idea is to frame family heirloom recipes. They make a beautiful gift, or they're a wonderful way to decorate your home for the holidays. Mulling spices are so versatile and they're amazing during the holiday season. You can throw them into a pot of water for potpourri. You can just have a bowl sitting on an end table, or you can use them to steep tea and enjoy with mulled wine or apple cider. They're another great gift with a free printable label. And yet another amazing gift with a free printable label is homemade vanilla extract. In fact, I haven't purchased vanilla in years. It's so easy to make your own and it just tastes better. Not to mention, you don't get the tinge of brown that you do in store-bought vanilla that changes the color of your baked goods and icings. One of my most popular recipes is Christmas bread. This cinnamon bread takes just 5 minutes hands-on time to make 6 miniature loaves. They're easy to eat and easy to gift. Wrap them in so many different ways. I'll link in the description below to all of my ideas. One of the things that tends to get neglected during the holiday season is your mailbox, but it's the source of so much joy. Watching Christmas cards come and go. So decorate your Christmas mailbox. You can learn how to make an easy 5-minute swag. Decorating your door is one of my favorite ways to decorate for the holiday season. You can make a simple wreath in just 5 minutes, 10 at the most, with a nice droopy satin ribbon. It's a stunning, breathtaking way to make an entrance. Another creative Christmas idea is to simply add candlelight. It takes everything up a notch. Line your stairs with an abundance of candles, flameless preferably, and you'll make a statement without a lot of effort. Don't just decorate gingerbread houses, decorate with gingerbread houses. They're perfect to nest on shelves, put them under the tree, or on a side table. Did you know you can make a DIY wreath in just 5 minutes from your garden? Well, it's simpler than you think. I have so many wreath tutorials on my site at julieblanner.com. I hope you enjoy them all. Another easy cheese ball recipe is an ornament cheese ball, covered with pomegranate seeds, garnished with rosemary, and topped with a Rolo to make a beautiful ornament without a lot of effort. Have you ever made a gift in an ornament? I know we talk a lot about gifting ornaments, but what's inside the ornament can be the gift too. This bath soak recipe is super simple, easy to fill, and it looks beautiful on your tree until it's ready to gift. You can also make an ornament garland. I did this years ago when I decorated Kauffman Stadium for the holidays. You string a bunch of ornaments together and you can add in your favorite embellishments. It's really beautiful and so simple to make. Cinnamon applesauce ornaments are also great to make with your kids. They're really easy, they're so fragrant, they fill your whole home with the scent of cinnamon. Take your whipped cream up a notch with eggnog whipped cream. Everything is better with eggnog. It's the perfect addition to your holiday desserts and drinks. It's not Christmas without Santa's hat. Santa's hat is a cheese ball covered in cranberries. It's delicious, it's simple, and it's so fun. One of the girls' favorite creative Christmas ideas is making a marshmallow tree. This is a tradition we've continued year after year. They collect branches outside in the yard, and we add marshmallows to the tips of them and put a bunch of them in a bucket or a vase, and it makes a statement without spending a dime. Speaking of vases, We had to cut down a dead birch tree and it was so beautiful. I was so sad to lose it. So we made vases out of it. You can too. You can get the full tutorial at julieblanner.com. Another creative Christmas idea is to use a blanket in lieu of a tree skirt. If you don't have one, you know my minimalist approach to Christmas. Don't buy one, just repurpose something you have. A cozy blanket makes a beautiful tree skirt. Again, I love to have fun with food. This Endive Salad does just that, arranged festively in the shape of a tree with a star made out of cheese and a trunk made out of nuts. It's really simple, really festive, and a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed these creative Christmas ideas. I can't wait to hear which one is your favorite. Don't forget to click subscribe, hit like, and leave me a comment. I always love hearing from you. And ring that bell for notifications. I'll see you again soon.